How to optimize LinkedIn profile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So I'll walk you through how to professionally optimize your LinkedIn profile, whether you are job hunting, building a personal brand, or networking with industry leaders. This is more than just about filling in boxes. It's about using LinkedIn as a strategic tool for career growth. So for that, first of all, you need to understand what LinkedIn is for. Before you change anything, remember, LinkedIn is not your resume. It's your digital reputation. It's searchable, scannable, and built for connection. Every word you use on your profile helps LinkedIn decide who sees you, how you're perceived, and whether you show up in the searches or not. Now, step number 2 is to optimize your headlines, your first impressions. By default, LinkedIn uses your current job title, but that's boring and vague. Instead, write a valuable best headline that explains what you do, who you help, and how you help them. For example, digital marketing helping nonprofit grow with SEO, Google Ads certified, and strategy first approach. The headline still contains keywords people in your industry search for. Now, step number 3 is to choose the right profile picture and the background photo. Your profile picture should be clear and high resolution. Show your face, not just a logo or avatar. Look friendly and professional. Then add a custom banner, which could be a branded image, your portfolio work, or even simple tagline. It shows your effort and personal branding. Now, step number 4 is to go ahead and write a strong about section. This is your story and it's often the most overlooked part of your profile. So here is a formula. Start with a quick intro, who you are and what you do. Share your passions or missions. Mention key achievements or skill, and end with a call to connect or collaborate. Also make sure to fill out all sections. Add work experience, education, certification, at least 5 skills, project, and media if possible. And step number 5 is to go ahead and simply stay active. Comment, share, post weekly, even if it starts as engagement means visibility. And the final tip is to turn on open to work or providing services if you want lead or job offers. And just like that, your LinkedIn becomes more than just a resume, it becomes your brand. And that is simply how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.